Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Let's continue the JavaScript front-end web tutorial series. Now in this video tutorial, I will show you how to create a custom preview file uploader using a JavaScript and CSS. So let's start the tutorial. And here we got the final output of our application. Notice how to create a custom preview file uploader using JavaScript and CSS. This is the file uploader button control. When I click, notice we got the pop-up window open. Let's select how to create it. Haritha computer and technology. I have selected that one. See, this is an image I have selected. Again, if I select next image, full stack web development tutorials, I'll select one more image here, add binding arrays. So here we got. Just for the time saving, I have created one image preview.html file, and in this file I have created some basic HTML tags. Now the coding part, first I am adding the center tag. Inside the center tag I am adding one h1 element. How to create a custom preview file uploader. H2 front-end development using JavaScript and CSS. Let's add the CSS. After that I am adding one horizontal line. After the horizontal line, I want to create customized file uploader. So I am adding one label control for image input. From image input, class is equals to, I'm creating the class name here, custom file upload. Then select image. Let's add the select image. Then I am defining the normal basic HTML file uploader element. ID is equals to image input, and when I click this file input, I want to open the file uploader, so which is on change event, which I will add very soon, which is a JavaScript function. So after the label, I am adding one horizontal line. Okay, here I am adding the preview image. Let's add the event. This preview image event is a JavaScript file name. After the horizontal line, I am defining image which displays the selected image file. Preview source is equals to hash alt image preview. If image is not available, this alt message will display. Now the coding part, after the center, the script I am adding here, the script first is, as I told, on change image, which is the JavaScript function. So let's create one function. I am adding that function name, variable input is equals to event dot target variable. I want to display preview. Preview is equals to document dot get element by ID. The preview I want to display in this image, the selected image preview. Then if let's try the command. Data dot onload is equals to function e. This is the function now. So now preview dot source we are getting from e dot target dot result. Then I want to display preview dot style dot display display is equals to block. Block means it will show the image. If you add none, the image does not show. Reader dot read as data URL input dot files 0, the selected file. That's it. We have done the JavaScript functionality. Now we require the styles. So here, where is the head? Let's close the header tag head. In the head, I am adding style. Now first we require this label, custom file uploader. The custom file upload is a class name. So I am adding a class name. Let's copy again. The dot is represents the class name in the style. Display inline block, then background color. I want to display background color, and background color is linear background, not background color, linear gradient. I want to display different colors. To right, orange. Let's add the purple, black, orange, and let's add these 4 colors. And color, I want white color with font weight bold, text align, center, padding. Let's add the padding. Just add the styles what you require here. 8 pixels. Border radius is 4 pixels, and cursor pointer. That's it. Now here, this input file, I want to display hide here. So dot custom file upload input type is equals to file, display none. Then I need to add the preview some styles. Preview, copy this one. Here I am adding hash here because here the image ID preview is ID, image tag ID I am taking, not the class name. When we want to add class, we need to add dot. If you are adding IDs, we need to add hash. Then preview display. When page loads, I don't want to display the default image, so that's why I'm adding none. But here if you notice in the JavaScript, once we invoke this function, it will display the image. But when page loads, I want to hide the image. Border radius 15 pixels. That's it. We have done the complete coding part. And also we need to add the max width also. The image I want to show maximum width 500 pixels and maximum height also 300 pixels. Let's add the 300 pixels. That's it. We have done the complete coding part. To create the file input, preview file uploader, customize it. So now let's save this file. We'll check the final output of our application. For that we need to open the file explorer. Let's open that one. The folder I have created in the E drive, the folder is JavaScript interview and the file name is the image preview. So let's open that one, image preview. And here we got the the image button is not displaying here. Let's find out what went wrong. Background linear. See, this is a spelling mistake. It's a purple. Let's save this file again. Now we'll check the final output of our application. I'm reloading the browser. And here we got the final output of our application. Notice how to create a custom preview file uploader using JavaScript and CSS. This is the file uploader button control. When I click, notice we got the pop-up window open. Let's select how to create it. Haritha computer and technology. I have selected that one. See, this is an image I have selected. Again, if I select next image, full stack web development tutorials, I'll select one more image here, add binding arrays. So here we got. That's it. In this video tutorial, I have explained how to create a custom preview file uploader control using JavaScript and CSS. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Please subscribe, share and leave your valuable comment. We'll catch you in my next video tutorial.